So Rob and I were in the car on our way to get groceries yesterday. It came on the radio, okay? Deep inside of me, I took Mitra 9 in black cherry. When I took it, I was so worried I wouldn't feel good. When I took a poopy, I hooked on a feeling. That's right, you know why? Because it's kratom, it's opiate. There's no poopy in me, and it feels so good. If you are someone that has ever taken kratom, you have a really, really hard time going to the bathroom. And when this Danielle started taking the Mitra 9, I felt better.